this is Hachacha. Welcome back to Lesson 3, where we're going to continue to play with our RSI indicator, adding some color and playing with a little bit, just the most basic entry into some of TradingView's logic functions. So we're going to start with our original code here, and we're going to go down and comment out a new section. And this is going to be our color logic. We're going to create a variable called trend color. Now there are two operators that TradingView uses, the question mark and the colon, that kind of, but not fully, act like an if-else statement. So we are going to take, if our RSI is greater than our RSI moving average, then this variable is going to be assigned the color green. Now we use our colon to separate out the other possibility, which is going to be if the RSI is less than the RSI moving average, then our color is going to be red. And then because it's possible that they're equal at some point, we need to add one more else onto the end of this, which is just going to be NA. We don't need to do anything else with it. It's just going to be NA. Delete our little brackets and it should show up as red here. Now we're going to create our fill statement. And we had to do a little bit of editing to our plots to work with this type of fill statement. We used to have just the plot, but now we've made that plot a variable and given it a name so that the fill statement can recognize it. What we're going to do is we're going to use that new named plot as P RSI, it's our first value. And then our second line is going to be P RSIMA. Ooh, it needs to be lowercase, P RSIMA. Now we're using the top value and bottom value, and that's going to be our actual calculation for RSI and for RSI MA. Now we need to give it top color and bottom color, and these we have to do a little bit differently. So we have to, in order to get our gradient correctly, because this is a slightly more complicated fill, we're going to do color dot new trend color comma 0. Go out to our next bracket. Now what this does is it assigns the trend color, and the 0 means that there is no shading. It's just the full value of the color. For bottom color, we're going to use color.new trend color, comma, and 100. Now when we give this a value of 100, it means it's 100% see-through, so the color doesn't even show up. I don't think we need, well, we can give this a title of our trend fill, and we don't need any of our other settings. Now we've really only modified 2 lines in this lesson and added 2 lines, and we're going to go ahead and update this on our chart and make sure we have no errors. Let's see what this looks like. And now we have got our gradient fill to show when our trend is bullish in green, over essentially just our RSI being above the RSI moving average, and bearish, our trend is red. Now we see the full value here, that'd be 0, and down here at the, or up here at the top of the gradient, this is that 100 value. So it shades it down to our, or up to our RSI moving average. And that was just a quick lesson for today. Remember, please help me out here. Like, subscribe if you've got some friends who are looking to learn Pinescript. Share the video with them, please. Send them my way. And remember, if you've got more questions, want to learn more about Pinescript, you can also find a link to my Discord down in the video description. You guys have a wonderful day.